Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how to add more content that you want into MPTX software. So here is my software I can use it to manage multiple Twitter accounts. So this is the software we have you to use multiple Twitter accounts to do automation. So first of all is the account management. So in this function, you can add and manage a limited Twitter account that you want. So you can choose the account that you want in here and show login. And the software will open browser and log into the account that I choose. Okay, so basically this is the way that I manage multiple Twitter accounts. So to add more content that you want into this software, so I will go to content management. And so first, you don't have the category, the software, so you will need to add the new category, and you enter the name of the category that you want. After have the category like this, to add the content, I will choose add spot. And first, I will select the category and select the type that I want, like about comment, message, or sitting insert. Next, I will enter the title and enter the content that I want, and also I will upload the image or video that I want here. After that, I will press save to save the content. Okay, after having the content like this is the way that you enter the content in the MPTX. Okay, so basically I just guide you how to add more content in the content management in MPTX software. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me via Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel to see more video or automation software.